Hello everyone, this is my presentation on IBM Coursera Advanced Data Science Capstone project, and the topic is about revenue maximization and sales growth minimization. And this is done for one of the company HR based or recruitment based company like Naukri.com, Sales, Stepstone or something else. They have a lot of companies visiting their website, posting a lot of job opportunities there on their website. A lot of people putting their resume on their website and they are matching. So what they do is basically they are collecting all those data, and then based upon the company's behavior on their website, how many jobs they have posted, how many people have they responded, and all the stuff, they put their sales team go to the company and tell them like, okay, what kind of advantage if you get a premium account with us, what kind of advantage you will get, and all those stuff. And they want to predict basically which company they should follow and which company can be easily converted into sales. So for that they have a lot of data, and the problem is basically first to find out whether a company can be a potential for sales conversion or not, and if that is potential for sales conversion, then how much revenue from that company we can generate. So the problem is basically classification and regression both. Let's move to the next slide. So my approach was to basically understand the data, understand the problem, the problem was in actual sense is three step of the problem. First, to classify which company can actually convert or not, and then second is to how much revenue they can generate, and third one is to optimally allocate the sales force for the team or find the top utilization of the sales force, optimize the utilization of sales force. The task involved was like data formatting, loading, unloading, data understanding, then exploratory data analysis, data understanding, data type classes, and all the stuff, then text and slip, then fitting the classification models. I used pipeline, scikit-learn pipeline, grid search CB to find out the best model, and then parameter tuning and all those stuff, and then regression model to find out basically which is the best sales, how much revenue from each of the selected company can be generated, so that we choose the companies which can generate the maximum revenue, and then an optimization model for aligning with the sales cost, revenue, and all those stuff to allocate to the sales team to different clients. So the optimization part is not done in this assignment, only two parts, classification. So this is output from the classification model. Actually, from classification model, they wanted to know which features are more important and how much is the accuracy. The objective was here to minimize the false negative. So zero in this chart, you will see zero. Zero means that no sales in historical data, and one means the sales happen. So if you see here, there are some false negative. There are some false negative, false positive, everything is there. The objective was to maximize the overall accuracy and minimize the false negative. These false negative, basically the 60. Here, I tried the random forest, SVC, logistics, and XGBoost, and best outcome from XGBoost. Basically, a logistics is used for baselining, and then others for basically to try and do parameter tuning using grid search CV and all that. Next model, regression model, uh, which is basically for predicting how much sales can be generated from each of the selected customers. So there, I don't see the chart is actually very small, but the most of the accuracy gained by removing the outlier. The model tried with random forest and execution, and again the best outcome came from it. So these are the next steps I believe which should do like more precise work on data understanding, outlier, and removing the filling the missing values. More parameter tuning for further enhancing the capability of building an optimization model for actually assigning the classes, the sales team to the clients based on the revenue prediction and checking the revenue prediction accuracies. So that's overall things, and overall accuracy was around for classification model was around 96%, and for regression the median square error was quite in range basically. And thank you. I hope this is the work you like my work. I have uploaded my notebook also for your reference. Thank you very much. Have a good day.